Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today, Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. Today, I am live from Miss Flores' first grade classroom, and our pledgers are going to do their pledge, so please stand, place your hand over your heart as we say our Pledge of Allegiance to the U.S. flag. And now we'll do our Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag and pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? All right, thank you. You may be seated. We'd like to remind you that every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, your coach, your nurse, your principals, or any other trusted adult. We are still a no place for hate school, and that means that we do our best to treat everyone fairly. We do our best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like you. If you see someone being hurt or bullied, you tell a teacher. That you help others feel safe and happy at school. That you will be a part of making your school a no place for hate. We have one big happy birthday today. Happy birthday to Cesar Ramirez in 3rd grade. We wish you a very happy March birthday. We have a couple of announcements today. We are still continuing our Celebrate Reading Week, and today is Reading is Relaxing. Relax with a good book. It is so awesome to see you all in your warm and comfy pajamas. You guys look great. Teachers, if you get a chance, please make sure you take a shot of your students so that we can go ahead and post them on our school Facebook page. Tomorrow, Let's Celebrate Reading is active. Wear your active wear and read books about sports. All right, students, there is one meeting today, and that is for 1st grade. So 1st graders have a meeting with parents at 4 o'clock today, virtually. And we'd like to remind you to finish strong. Students, stay in the game, focus on what's in front of you, and make sure that you complete all your work. We have 2 days until spring break. So remember, next week there is no school in person or virtually. The character education themes for the month of March are respect, courtesy, and gratitude. Having self-respect is the most important. When you appreciate your mind, body, and emotions, you will make good choices for yourself. All right, friends, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not. That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.